Setting up Deel's benefit system can seem overwhelming, but in this quick guide, we'll break it down step by step. Whether you're a business owner or HR manager, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently use Deel's benefit system to manage employee perks. Stick around until the end because we'll also reveal an exclusive bonus to help you get started with Deel for free. First things first, Deel is a powerful software that streamlines hiring and payroll for global teams. But beyond just hiring and paying employees, Deel's benefit system allows you to manage and customize employee benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and more. It's incredibly helpful for businesses with remote teams or companies that operate across multiple countries. So let's get started. To begin, log into your Deel account. Once you're in, navigate to the Benefits tab under the Employee Management section. This is where you'll be able to set up and customize benefits for all of your team members. Next, select the Add Benefits button. You'll see a list of benefits options like health insurance, retirement plans, wellness stipends, and more. Choose the benefit that fits your company's offerings. Deel allows you to set up benefits based on employee locations, which is especially useful if your team is spread out globally. Let's take health insurance as an example. After selecting health insurance, Deel will guide you through the process of setting up the benefit. You'll input the details such as the provider, coverage options, and any additional requirements for eligibility. Deel's platform allows you to tailor the coverage to different countries and locations, ensuring your team gets the benefits that are standard and legal in their area. If you're setting up a retirement plan, Deel will ask you to choose the plan type, specify employee contributions, and decide if the company will match any contributions. It's incredibly simple to configure, making it easy for you to offer these benefits without the headache of managing everything manually. Now let's talk about wellness stipends and other allowances. Deel allows you to offer stipends for gym memberships, wellness programs, and even remote work stipends. These types of benefits are becoming increasingly popular, and Deel makes it easy to add these to your employee's benefits package. Once you've added the benefits, you'll be able to manage and track everything from the Deel dashboard. This is where you can view and adjust employee benefits at any time. You can even set automatic renewals and adjustments, which saves a ton of time when managing multiple employees with varying needs. It's also important to note that Deel integrates with other tools and platforms, allowing you to sync benefits data with your payroll system, ensuring that everything is aligned and up to date. Deel's automation ensures that your team gets their benefits seamlessly without any confusion or delays. Before we wrap up, make sure you understand the legal side of things. Deel also provides resources and guidelines for each country, making it easier to comply with local laws and regulations regarding employee benefits. Whether your team is based in the US, Europe, or Asia, Deel provides the legal clarity you need. Now, if you're looking to try Deel's benefit system for yourself, you're in luck. We've partnered with Deel to offer you an exclusive bonus, a free trial of their platform with extended access to their benefit system. You can get started today with the first link in the description below. That's it. Setting up Deel's benefit system is straightforward and customizable, and with Deel's help, you can offer competitive perks to your global team in just a few clicks.